Ayun si Mikey, pumasok na siya. So dyan kami nagpapa-service. Ang pangalan niya is My Garage. Good morning guys, happy Monday. And gawa tayo ng coffee. Kamusta naman kayo guys? So andito si Mikey. Kasi naka-holiday kami ng 1 week. Nandito yung mother niya. Gano'n siya nag-visit for a week. So, nung Saturday siya dumating, hindi ako nag-vlog. Tapos Sunday kahapon, hindi ako nag-vlog kasi nagpunta kami sa mall sa may Cross Iron. Wala lang, ninamnam ko lang yung mall. Ninamnam. Wala, nag-walking, tapos nag-shopping. Siya nag-shopping, ako hindi masyado. Konti lang nabili ko. Tapos, yun. And kanina, 8 o'clock, dinarap off naman ni Mike yung sasakyan niya kasi papalitan yung gulong at saka marami pang gagawin. I think all change and check up. Yun. Tapos yung sa akin tomorrow naman, papalitan din yung gulong. Tapos all change din. Hapon ang ganda ng weather. Mainit siya. Sunny. 23 degrees Celsius. Tapos ngayon gloomy siya. Parang 13 degrees Celsius yung high today. Then, yung plano namin today is punta kami sa downtown. Pasyal kami doon, tsaka magmumall. So, for now, gagawa muna ako ng breakfast. Kasi kailangan natin ng coffee. Yes, babe. Tayo ay maglalamyarda. Kasi meron tayong bisita. Bali, 1 week kaming holiday ni Mikey.
2,000 years later.
It's better now. Last year we were here. There's a barrier here. So, nandito na tayo sa Peace Bridge. Malamig siya guys. Windy. Kung hindi lang mahangin, okay sana eh. Ito yung maganda ngayon kasi wala na siyang barrier sa tabi. Kasi last year meron. Kaya hindi maganda mag-picture. Tsaka maganda ngayon. Tsaka maluwag. Kita nyo walang katao-tao. So, dito namin siya unang dinala. Andun sila. Nauna sa akin. So, yun. Nauna sila dun. Mas maganda sana kung sunny ang weather. I think tomorrow is sunny. Kapag pupunta kayo dito ng Monday to Friday, may free parking 2 hours lang dun sa street na yon, along street, and merong construction. Okay lang kasi hindi siya busy, walang tao. We're done. We're heading now sa mall kasi malamig. Walking lang kami doon sa kabilang side ng tsaka dito. Hindi kakayanin kasi malamig. Mahangin! Chinook. We're just walking around. Or we're going to do window shopping.
Yeah.
Window shopping.
Window shopping, exactly.
Hindi siya busy. Kasi today's Monday at saka maaga pa siya. We don't know where we're going.
Take your time, Mom. We don't know where we're going, so we're just whatever we find.
Do you wanna check the guests?
What pinamata? Mag-lipstick ka ba yesterday?
Map. Map. Look, Mikey. You need.
Where am I? Like,
Where do you wanna put, babe?
maybe here.
So we're done.
Wow.
So we're done our shopping. Window shopping. Pauwi na kami. Nag-pick up lang kami ng chicken wings dito sa Wings Up for dinner. Ready to go?
Yeah.
We went to the market later, March.
Yes, we're going to seafood.
Your sister's coming Thursday.
Yeah. May 5, it's Cinco de Mayo. So that's our brunch. Late breakfast and early lunch. How you call it, babe?
Chilaquiles.
Chilaquiles.
Yeah, lunch and breakfast.
I'm gonna watch it so I can cook whenever Mike wants.
Yeah, it's easy. You can make this sauce only with tomatoes instead of the chiles.
Yeah, I got your container.
Okay, thank you. I know, it's a lot of work, eh?
There's a lot of stuff like here and there.
Yeah. But
Are you gonna
think-
use this?
Yeah, I'm gonna put in the sauce.
How you call that in English?
It's no, I don't think it's English. It's epazote.
And sour cream on top?
Sour cream and the onions. And everything on top. Perfect. And sour cream.
Tingnan yung ating tablecloth. Cinco de Mayo.
Yeah, I'm gonna put tablecloth all over the table.
Happy Cinco de Mayo!
Happy Cinco de
Happy Cinco de
Mayo.
Mayo.
Let's eat!
Along with the tortillas de cover, you found with them.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's tasty.
It's tasty, huh?
So you'll find it in the herb section. So, andito kami sa gasoline station. Kano yung gas ngayon? Hindi ko na-check. Let me see. I think 185. How much the gas, babe?
185.
Yeah, it's 185. So expensive. Hindi umubra yung excise tax na yan. Paano na lang kung wala nun? Malamang $2 something. So yan. So bad. So alam nyo guys, yung oil is nanggagaling dito sa Alberta. Eh, nagtataka kami, bakit sa Alberta is ang mahal ng gas? Eh, yun nga ang mother ni Mikey from Ontario. Sabi niya, ang gas doon, 140 something nung umalis siya. So, I don't know why. So, even yung mga meat, like yung beef, dito rin siya nanggagaling. Kaya, hindi namin alam. Hindi ko rin alam. Comment down below nga, explanation, bakit? Bakit mahal? Kung dito nanggagaling sa Alberta. So, kaka-drop off ko pa lang ng sasakyan. Kasi nagmamadali ako. Medyo, kasi kahapon ito, dinrop off namin 7:30. Eh, yung sasakyan ko 8:30 kasi napahimbing ako ng tulog. So, yun. Kaya hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina. So, after nito, daan kami sa Battle Depot. Ito drop off namin yung mga empty bottle. Sayang din yun, panggas din yun. Hapon na guys. So, galing kami sa Seafood City at saka sa Wahi. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Ganda ng weather. So sunny. Ganda ng ulap guys. Look. So, ang aming dinner for today is Jenny tortilla? How you call that?
I'm making tacos.
Oh, tacos.
This one, yeah.
So, our dinner is tacos. O, diba? Kasi nga, 5 de Mayo. Kaya lunch, dinner, Mexican dish. So, nung dumaan kami sa seafood, bumili kami ng ilang produce.
Martha, can you put me more milk?
A little bit more?
But not too many I want.
Okay.
This is just the bacon.
So, bumili kami ng chicken skin sa sa Seafood City. Kasi gusto ko ipatry sa kanila.
How you doing, Margie? Okay?
Yeah.
She goes, it's a lot of work. I said, yeah, no. We just make you 6. Only 6. Because
We have dessert.
We have the ice cream.
I have the wings there too.
Let's put beans. Cinco de Mayo. Here, Jen. And then salsa. Homemade salsa.
Don't worry, tonight or tomorrow night you can drink your food light, okay?
Yeah, I hack up on the freezer. Don't worry.
Kain tayo, guys. How you call this?
I told Mars that like Mexican antojitos mexicanos.
Tojitos mexicanos.
Antojitos mexicanos.
What's that? What are you talking about?
This food.
Yes, like in Mexican antojitos, snacks, something like that.
Mm.
Brother.
Okay, rate this, babe. Rate this halo-halo. Jen.
For me, it's probably a 10 because I don't think I've had one better than
I
this.
wanted to see a 10. It's very good.
Yeah?
First time trying.
It's good in summer.
Because when have we ever had proper halo halo?
So you don't have this?
No.
So-
the only time we've had halo halo is when we went to visit some of your friends in Ontario, and they made like homemade. It's different. This is like made.
The store.
So a 10 and 10, but I'm pretty sure we'll find some later that will beat this.
I'm glad you like it.
No, it's very good.